Personal responsibility in
delivering excellence. Okay.
That's a very important thing that we created and invited open suggestions. I mean, just saying the same thing my colleague said in a different form. Is open suggestions for defining company performance as well as the objectives. So he carried everybody with him. Kind of thing.
Correct. Good. Agreed, disagreed? What do you want to add?
Agreed. I would like to add
Yes.
that
Yes.
Mike have a strong belief that everyone would like to win and successful.
See, this,
So
do you
he
have
has
a
a belief in his team.
Do you have a belief in
he
your
believes
team?
that if I give a mission and vision to my team, they can do wonders. And the ordinary people can do unordinary things.
Exactly. And we will take a lot of case studies where you will agree. And very well made point that you believe in your team and then you expect the best from them. Anyone else wants to?
He did one of the wonderful things that he believed that employees' participation in management
Correct.
make the things change.
Correct.
And this is what he did.
Right. There is a saying which says that no involvement, no commitment. So if people are not involved, you will not get commitment from them.
He developed the vision, the goals of the company by taking the feedback
From the
people.
Correct.
He also started a program of You Said We Did. So
You
the
Said We
reverse,
Did.
Feedback program also he
Right.
started so that he was answerable to his people
Good.
what
Good.
he did.
In fact,
What?
vision and mission was set through the employees only.
Correct.
By taking the inputs and the vision and mission was ultimately set.
Yes.
I think changing the way Pride Day was held
Correct.
was also instrumental because the huddle of the newcomers, which was basically making newcomers come into the limelight that yes, we are the
Correct.
newcomers, that was
Right.
one.
And not just the newcomers, anyone who is a performer, if you can bring them in the highlight, then
That was the
it
second
motivates.
one. Yeah.
Excellent. Yes?
Yeah, one more thing was, he keeps saying, turn the mirror around and ensuring that the actions reflect what the, vision, mission and the values are.
That is very important. And we will see that leadership, titles can be granted. But to earn leadership, you have to practice what you preach. And that's why you have to turn the mirror around. Taking a simple example, if I tell my son that study, you are in 12th or whatever it is, college, and all day if I am watching TV, then what is going to happen? If I tell my child, don't swear, or don't use curse word, and if I use curse words 10 times a day, what would happen? So and in anything, in any endeavor, personal, professional, you have to practice what you preach and lead by example.